Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. This is my channel, Mo Nation. Make sure you smash that like button and make sure you smash that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram at justthatkid2 with 2 D's and 2 underscores at the end, and follow my business page at RICHCREATIONSLLC. I make all kinds of motivational t-shirts, but then I also make like custom cups. If you don't know, I do powder coat. There's a different process to it, but this is powder coated. So this is one of the cups that I made. So if you're looking to get you something like that, let me know. Just hit me up on Instagram or shoot a message on our business page. Just let us know. Don't be boring. Get you something custom, man. Don't be boring. Don't be walking around with a blank tumbler. So today we're just gonna be talking about the mods on the G8. We're gonna go over the appearance mod, and then we're gonna go over performance mods that I have done to it. Kind of explain like the tune. I know somebody was asking about the manual shift, so I'm gonna kind of explain that. And then we just go, and I'm gonna let y'all know like what's the future plans for the G8. So I got a couple errands I gotta run first, and then I'll see y'all with the G8. All right, y'all, so as promised, we're gonna do a video. Just gonna go over all my mods. So if you don't know, this is my 2008 Pontiac G8 GT, and that is my 99 Dodge Durango. That is for work, pretty much work, whatever else I need it for. Dang, got a bump came out. Well, but yeah, so work and whatever else I need it for, just to haul stuff around. And I use it for my detailing and all that stuff too. All my detailing supplies and all that stuff is in there. So first we just gonna kind of go over disclosure. My my car is dirty, so it is what it is. It's dirty. I had to use it for work. I haven't had the time to wash it. It's gonna get washed soon though. First we're gonna start with kind of just start with the visual stuff that I got done to the G8. So and I kind of just, I don't have nothing written down, I'm kind of just talking out of my head. So first, we got the G8 only splitter. We got the front splitter. We got the Spec D headlights. If y'all don't, I'm pretty sure y'all seen the pictures, but all this, you know, this light up. These are some fog lights that I got off of eBay that I made fit into here, and they look good. I haven't seen no other G8 with them, but I put them there because I wanted to do something different instead of the expensive fog lights that's like over $100 something for some fog lights. Even though they're good, I wanted to do something different, so I wanted LED ones. So I got those 20-inch Camaro rims. They staggered, so I got 2 85s in the back and 2 45s in the front. If y'all can see, 245. Oh, I've been telling people 245 30. I got 35. Okay, I got a little bit of wrap. So I got this, the mirrors wrapped, the rear deck, rear trunk, this wrapped, and then the top of this is wrapped also. All the chrome, I did like a chrome delete, so all the chrome on the G8 is also blacked out, which is gonna get redone. So this chrome is this was chrome, and all this was chrome. It's all blacked out. Let's see what else. I blacked out the side markers just to kind of blend in with the car. Looks real good. Also put red LEDs in it. 4-inch tips for the back. Then we got the G8GT rear diffuser for the front. I mean for the back. And the Mavic Carbon. They just came out with these tail lights, spider tail lights. It's a whatever. Whenever I turn the turn signal on, it kind of does like a Mustang. Real nice, real smooth. Just cost a good bit of money, but honestly I feel like it was worth it. It makes the car, it gives it like a OEM type look, but not like you can, like, it kind of looked like the car would come like that. So well, other than that, nothing spectacular on the inside. My inside is pretty dirty. So I do have the red seats. The only thing I did was paint it red on the inside. So if you don't know, red is my favorite color. That's why you're gonna see red a lot. I'm trying to switch it up. So that's pretty much it for visual stuff. And honestly, visually, my car is pretty much done. I do have straight pipe exhaust, no cats. I got all the way from the headers to X pipe, all the way back, no cats, no nothing, no muffler, no resonator, no nothing. All right, so whew, it's time to clean underneath here again. It's dirty. So I got the Veram air intake over the radiator, which I need to take this apart and redo that. I haven't touched the spark plug wires yet. I need to go ahead and take those off and put some new ones on, put something a little bit more updated. But I do have headers. As you can see, I have the pipes, long tooth headers, and that's pretty much it for underneath the hood is the intake and headers, and that's about it. Nothing else I've done to it yet. There's nothing else I've done to it yet. So other than that, I also, as you know, the car is tuned and stuff, so I just had it retuned. So that's I just had it retuned, and that's pretty much it for performance wise. I also have it sitting on if you haven't seen my video, make sure you go watch that video. But I also have it sitting on pedalers. So I got it sitting on pedalers in the front and back, and Hibachi springs. Now I don't regret dropping it because I like the way it looked. You won't get no, you know, not that much wheel gap, but I should have went with stiffer springs. That's the one thing I should have looked into, was going with stiffer springs, because even with the fenders roll, it is still rubbing on hard bumps. So it is bottoming out. So it probably would be better if I went ahead and got I got a full thing, stiffer springs. So all right, so what's the future plans for the G8? That's what people want to know. That's what you're here for. What are the future plans for the G8? So I do have a cam for it. I do have the rear gears for it. I do have those two sitting at the house right now. Haven't yet put them on yet. So I'm just trying to enjoy the car as it is, and then later on I'm gonna go full race car. So first I'm gonna do the gears. Once I do the gears, I see the difference, drive it for a while, maybe a month or two, then maybe I'll go ahead and do the cam. And then before that, I also want to bring it to the track and see the difference between everything and stuff like that whenever I got time, because I do work a full-time job. So, and I'm gone 2 weeks out of the 2 weeks, and then I come home a week. So I did went ahead and ordered rotors, which I'm going to be making a video on that because I'm going to be changing these myself. So like, this is the front driver side. So I'm gonna be changing these myself, so I'm gonna be making a video on that. They're not supposed to rust like these other rotors are. Like, if you can see, like, that one's rusted real bad, and that one's pretty rusted real bad. So these are not supposed to rust like that. So I got ceramic brakes also, so maybe it'll help with the brake dust and getting the wheels dirty. Wheels I got for a really good price. I think I paid like 120 bucks for the rims. So they do have a little, you know, curve rash, the guy who had it before. All right, so sometimes in life, you gotta take chances. Sometimes you gotta do things that's like out of the box, out of your character, out of your personality, like out of you, out of your body, whatever. You gotta do things like that. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a chance, especially with the YouTube stuff. I wanna show you that I'm just a regular person that works a 6-to-6 job, but I am in a fortunate situation to where I'm able to do stuff like this with having a family. So I do have people that help me out, and I do have people that's there for me, that support me and stuff like that. Not money wise, but just support me enough to where, okay, you can go and do that and stuff like that. All right, so with that being said, I am wrapping the car. As y'all can see, if y'all can see that box over there, that's the wrap. So I already ordered the wrap. The guy should be installing it, I don't know, maybe this week or next week. The guy gonna be installing it, and the wrap is kind of gonna be out of my, it's gonna be different for me because I never wrapped a car before. I never had a car that was wrapped. So taking care of it, washing it, and all that stuff like that, it's gonna be a little different. So I'm gonna do a bunch of videos on that, on how to take care of it, how to maintain it, and all that stuff. And plus the wrap is a little flashy, it's very noticeable. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, it's very important. Just stay on the journey with me. Trust me, we going places. My channel's not big yet, but it's gonna get there. Let me know what y'all think. I'm excited, bro. I'm excited to get I'm excited to get this thing wrapped. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at justthatkid, 2 underscores, 2 D's and 2 underscores, and follow my business page at RICHCREATIONSLLC. Watching. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a good day. I hope you had a good day, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all stay tuned, bro, because this is gonna be epic. This is gonna be epic. I'm a small YouTuber doing this type of stuff, so make sure you stay tuned, because when I'm finished with this G8, everybody's gonna know who I am. I'll have an idea of who I am. So hope y'all have a good day, and I'll see y'all in the next video.